Well, we've come together today on the campus of Jackson's Mill for the statewide training for the new Energy Express site teams, bringing together the site supervisors, mentors, and community coordinators for their training to kick off the summer. Well, the purpose of the training is to get everybody on the same page, as well as to let them know that although each site across the state is different, they're all the same too. They all face the same struggles and have the same challenges, so it's to get them off to a good start.
What it means to be a mentor is someone who can guide someone else, to give advice, to share examples, just to be a role model. It's just the love for the program. The model has lasted for 32 years. It's proven. It's beneficial for the community. It's beneficial for the students, for the mentors, for everyone involved in the program. I think the better question would be, what don't I love about Energy Express? Every part of it is amazing. From the weekly themes to the small groups, everything is intentional. The nutrition that the kids get, the safe place that they get by being there, the connections that they make from being with their mentor to their classmates. It's all just so important and so impactful.
Increasing literacy is always a goal and very important. And then the most important piece is community.
I love that it's helping people. I've always wanted to do work that betters the lives of people, and Energy Express really does that.
I love that I just get to work with kids of all ages, and they're at that moldable age where you can just teach them so many different things and guide them hopefully onto a better path for some of them, or to just continue on to that path. And I think it's a really influential program. I love that we offer meals because Pocahontas County has a lot of food insecurity, so I appreciate that that is a feeding site in our community.
I think people would be surprised about how many people know about Energy Express and how far it has reached, not only in West Virginia, but across the nation. So we've had people who were kids when they were in the program, and they've grown up to be site coordinators, mentors, community coordinators. I think it's really cool to see that kind of cyclical nature in this program, that it keeps on giving back no matter what.